Hello student, myself Miss Yogita Uttamrao Kadam, lecturer in Computer Technology Department from KK Polytechnic Nasik. Today in this session we'll have the demonstration about the database object view. We'll study in detail how to perform the operations with views. So when we say view, view is a logical table based on a table or another view. View logically represent subsets of data from one or more tables. View contains no data of its own but is a like window through which data from tables can be viewed or changed. The table on which a view is based are called as base table. In other words, we can say that view is a logical table or it is a virtual table which is created from another table. And the table from which we are creating view is called as a base table. Okay, there are different advantages of views. That views provides the security to our data, that actual table is not shown to the user. Instead of that, we can show only the view of the data to the user by creating its view. Then view restrict the access to the data because the view can display selective columns from the table. View provide data independence for ad hoc users and application programs. View provides group of users access to data according to their particular criteria. Thus, it implements data security and authorization. So let us start with the demonstration. First of all, we'll create a view. Here I am connecting with the database by using a keyword connect and entering proper username and password. So I have one table called as student. It is already created. Here I am describing the content. Here I am showing the contents of view by using select command. Select star from student. So I have the table of the student with data in it. On this table we'll create a view. So the command for creating view is create or replace view name. This is a user defined name. Here I am giving the name to the view as S1. Okay, this is my view name. Or replace keyword is used to override the view if the view is already with the same name is already available. So create or replace view name as select the columns that we have to display in view. Here I am selecting roll number, comma, name and marks of the student from student. So my view will have 3 columns, roll number, name and marks. So it gives us the message view created. So let us show the contents of view. To show the contents of view, here I am using the command select star from view name. So my view name is S1. So as we have said that view is nothing but a virtual table or logical table created from base table. So student is our base table and we have created a view from the base table student. So we can say that on this view we can perform all the operation that we are performing on table. So to retrieve the data from a view, we are using a command select star from view name to retrieve the data from the view. It shows the data available in view. Now let us insert the data into view. So to insert a data into view, I am writing a command insert into view name, then keyword values, and then write down first. Here I am writing the roll number. This is my first column in a view. So I am writing a roll number as 6. Then name of student. I am writing the name of student okay, then comma, and last value from the view, that is we have to put the value for marks. This is the last column from the view. I am entering the marks, then close the bracket, enter, close the bracket, semicolon, and then enter. It gives one row created. One more time I am displaying the data from view. Now my next, that is this row with the roll number 6 is added to the view. If here I am displaying the data of table, okay, select star from student. What it shows? It shows the data that we have inserted in view. So here we can say that whatever the changes in the view is done, the same changes are done in the table. Okay, it means it affects our base table also. We have inserted data in view, the data is as well as it is inserted in table also. After that, now let us study how to update the data from view. For that we have the command update view name S1 set marks is equal to 80, where roll number is equal to 1. So we are setting a new marks to the roll number 1 as 80. Previously we have the marks for roll number 1 as 60. So it gives the message one row updated. So now we'll display the data of view. Select star from S1. So the change is done. Now the roll number 1 is having marks 80. Okay, same change is applicable or it is done in the base table also. Then after that, to delete the data from view, let us delete the roll number 6. So here I am using the command delete from S1, where roll number is equal to 6. And now I am showing the contents again. So 6 is deleted. Let us see whether it is deleted from the base table. Here I am describing base table. So the data is deleted from the base table also. So these are all the operations on the view, that is selecting data from the view, then inserting data into view, updating data and deleting data from the view. That's it about a view. Thank you.